In this video, I'm going to share with you the 8 biggest WordPress SEO mistakes that most people make, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do to avoid them. Let's get started. The first big SEO mistake that you can make with WordPress is by not using one of the best SEO plugins. Now, they make optimizing your WordPress website a whole lot easier, and for an SEO plugin, we recommend All-in-One SEO. All-in-One SEO is the best SEO plugin, and it makes creating an SEO-friendly WordPress site a whole lot simpler. It's very straightforward, and it's got smart features that can help you optimize every page, post, product, and a whole lot more. With All-in-One SEO, you can avoid making many of the SEO mistakes that folks make, and it helps you with your local SEO, WooCommerce, on-page SEO, XML sitemaps, internal link building, and a whole lot more. So we highly recommend that you use it. You can start with the free version, but you'll probably want to upgrade to get all of the amazing features that it has. Number 2 is not setting the right time zone. A lot of WordPress owners schedule posts ahead of time, and if your time zone isn't matching the one that you're publishing in, it's going to be off. Now, to make sure that your time zone's correct, you'll need to go to your WordPress admin sidebar and then go to Settings and then go to General and then scroll down to find the time zone and date format and the time. Number 3 is not connecting to Google Search Console. Search Console is going to give you a lot of really valuable SEO data and insight. It's free, and you'll be able to access data like your keywords that your site's ranking for, which pages are showing up in search results, site speed issues, and the average search result position for keywords and pages. So it's a really big mistake if you're not using that valuable tool. And if you're using MonsterInsights, you get a top 50 search reports right inside your WordPress dashboard, and you can see what you're ranking for. MonsterInsights is the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. It allows you to easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics, both Universal Analytics and GA4, and you can view all that data that matters the most right on your WordPress dashboard. Plus, with a click of a button, you can set up sophisticated tracking features like event tracking, eCommerce tracking, form tracking, and you can track custom dimensions, outbound links, and a whole lot more. Now, to learn about setting up Google Search Console, just see the link in the description. Number 4 is using too many keywords. Now, we all know how important it is to use the right keywords in the right places, but did you know that you can use them too many times? Using a word or phrase over and over again is keyword stuffing, and that can get you penalized by Google. Now, the best way to know that you're using your keywords and phrases properly is by using All-in-One SEO. Just type in the focus keyword, and the plugin's going to scan the article so that your keywords can be used the right way. If you want to learn more about focus keywords, check out the link in the description to our article on what is a focus keyword. Number 5 is forgetting a sitemap. A sitemap is simply a layout of your website's links that allows search engine bots to index your entire site. Now, if you don't have one, then parts of your site can be missed, and that's going to hurt your SEO efforts. You can easily create a sitemap for your website using All-in-One SEO's Smart XML Sitemap feature. Now, if you want to learn more about XML sitemaps, check out the link in the description to our article on how to create a sitemap in WordPress the easy way. Number 6 is not using nice permalinks. Now, permalinks are where your posts and pages live. Optimizing URLs send important signals to Google and other search engines, so optimizing them is important. Just be careful here. If you already have a site that's live and it's been crawled by Google, changing your permalink settings can cause a lot of broken links. So to change your permalink settings, head over to the admin sidebar and then go to Settings and then go to Permalinks, and you'll see your permalinks option. Now, using the post name option in most cases is the best optimization option. Be sure to check out the link to our article on what is an SEO-friendly URL structure in WordPress. Number 7 is not doing internal linking. Using internal links can help optimize your site for SEO. It provides your visitors with logical navigation. It helps search engine crawlers index your site, and in some cases can even boost your search result ranking. Now, if you have a post that's doing really well in search results and you link a few other articles to it, it can help boost the rankings. So when you're writing a new article, think about the other posts and pages that you can link to. Here again, All-in-One SEO can help thanks to their Link Assistant tool. Not only you get access to a whole links report, but you can easily find places to build links and create those links with a single click without ever opening the post. You'll want to check out the link in the description to our article on how to use Link Assistant to optimize your internal linking strategy. Here we are at number 8, a slow loading website. A slow website can ruin your SEO efforts by causing your visitors to leave right away. Now, MonsterInsights has a speed report built right in so you can check your site speed anytime. If you'd like to speed up your site, check out the link in the description to 17 easy hacks to speed up your WordPress site's performance. And that's it for our list of the 8 biggest SEO mistakes for WordPress. With MonsterInsights, you get the website stats that matter. See why we're used by more than 3 million websites. If you're not already using MonsterInsights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.